Hello, everyone! Welcome back to our English listening practice. Today, we are going to listen to a simple and relaxing story. Don't worry if you don't understand every word. Just relax, listen carefully, and enjoy the story. Let's begin. A peaceful Sunday. Last Sunday was a beautiful day. The weather was warm. The sky was blue, and the sun was shining. After breakfast, I stayed at home for a while. Then, I decided to go to a park near my house. I walked slowly to the park. When I arrived, I saw many people enjoying the day. Some people were walking, some were riding bicycles, and some were sitting on the grass. I found a quiet bench. I sat down and relaxed. I listened to the birds. I felt calm and happy. A little later, I bought a cup of coffee. Then I met a friend. We walked around the park together. We talked about our week. We shared a few funny stories. And we laughed a lot. Before going home, I stopped to look at the flowers. They were colorful and beautiful. I took a few photos. It was a simple day. Nothing exciting happened, but sometimes simple days are the best days. They help us relax. They help us enjoy the little things in life. Thank you for listening. Have a wonderful day.